Hi, my name is Professor Robert DeFrance. I'll be your English teacher this semester. My background is in English. I have a bachelor's and a master's in rhetoric and composition. These are the texts I studied mainly, like when I did my project or my thesis. I focused on these texts here. I spent a long time getting ready for this. I spent about 10 years being a writing center tutor, a graduate assistant, teaching assistant. I was actually a classroom tutor here at El Camino for about a year. And since then, I've been a English professor for, let's see, how many years now? Well, since 2004, so these 16 years this fall, actually. I have worked at a variety of various schools. I work summers for, and in other just various capacities for UC Irvine. I have won awards. I was part of the Student Equity Plan at Long Beach City College in 2014. I've been published in California English. I presented at CATE several times. I'm a UCI Writing Project Fellow, and I have over 250 publications. Let's see, there's just some things about me. I love Mexican food and sushi, and good vegetarian, Indian, or Thai food. Those are both very good. Italian, American food. And Pulp Fiction, I'm a big Quentin Tarantino fan. Fight Club, The Shining, Kubrick, Stephen King, LA Confidential, Gladiator. I'm a married father of two. My wife is also an English teacher. A lot of my students have gone on to UC schools. Some of them are published authors, award-winning writers, and that takes us around. Okay, so I hope you guys have a wonderful semester, and it'll be great getting to know you guys.